Cyberbrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
Where covers related. Everything is going to be defaulted from your time profile, especially for your time tracking module. This is where it's going to be coming in. Alright. On what is the error that I got now? Only one address. And now I've created my locations. Next thing, I'm going to be assigning it to a location hierarchy. Let's just create a location hierarchy in the first place. Then I'll come over with this, and then I have motion point. Yeah. Yeah. Now over here, I'm going to be assigning locations over here. Now I'm going to be adding my locations. Apple India. Alright. Oops, sorry, I need to create this. Tony and San Francisco, which will need to die clear. Alright. And then I'm going to be adding a supervisory organization. Okay. I need to create that one as well. Because usually in this particular option itself, we will have the option to create it. That's not available. So I'm going to be adding it. I'm going to see the names of type. Alright, I'm just going to be putting this. So let's move on to the next thing. So I hope everybody knows how to create this location, hierarchies, cost centers. I'm skipping regions and supervising organizations for now, because we are like on top of the hour right now, because we just want to finish it as quickly as I can, the entire thing. So I hope everybody knows how to create supervisory organizations, regions, and everything right. Next, set organization default for all your supervisory organization for company cost center and your region. So here they've not mentioned a supervisory organization. But create a supervisory organization by the name Apple Hospitals Incorporate and assign your default company cost center and region as the one that you have already created. Probably you can choose for your region defaulting. You can choose it as Apple India region and for your location. Sorry, for your cost center. You can choose any one of those cost centers which have already been created and your location. You can choose any one of your location as per your choice and your region. Everything you can choose these as default ones. 3C Apple Hospitals, that is the support, has decided to use position management for all the organizations except Gynae and General Madison. Alright. So I think where are the departments that they've given? Have they given the departments over here? Have they not given the departments over here? Okay. So probably they missed departments over here or supervisory organization. So probably what you can do is you can create 3 departments. You create general medicine, gynae, and you put it like video iteration. These are 3 departments or departments, supervisory organizations that you want to create. You can create it under the same support called as Apple Hospital Incorporate, which we've created. So that is going to be the support, and you're going to have additional departments under that. And these 2 organizations will use staffing model, which means Gynae and General Madison will use job management-based staffing model. Whereas the others will use only position management-based support. And probably I would say you can pick the supervisory organizations from here. They put like Apple Hospitals Executive Group and then Admin Nursing Pharmacy General, Madison Gynae Finance. That's it. So we have all these supervisory organizations, and your top, the worker city, who's part of Apple Hospitals, that is a topmost CEO level. So you see your level support that's available over here. So you can pick the list from here, from the supervisory organization. You have hospitals, executive groups, and then you can come to admin, nursing, pharmacy, general, Madison, gynae and finance. And, like here, what they have mentioned over here is your gynae and general Madison is going to be job management based. Whereas the rest of the departments, rest of the supports or subordinate subocs, are going to be position management based. Clear. Next, the primary location is based on the location of its manager. That's up to you. That is because they mentioned this over here, probably the detail they've given it over here. So for each of the supports that you are going to create, you need to find out who's the manager. For example, for this particular Apple executive group, the manager is the worker city and he's based out of. So for Apple executive group, the primary location will be called Kolkata. Yet what I'm saying, it will be the location of the manager. When you create the Apple executive group as Or when you create this particular Apple executive group as a supervisory organization, pick the location of the manager. That's it. And when you create it for Apple hospitals, it's obviously going to be called Kolkata. Executive group is also going to be based out of Kolkata, and when you're going to be having an organization for which Rajini care, for example, you're going to be creating Apple Admin. Apple Admins, supervisory organizations. Location is going to be Pune is going to be Pune, the primary location. Primary location. But when you hire that particular person, he's going to be based on the Kolkata, on San Francisco, wherever you want. Clear on this, guys, how to go about this particular exercise? It might sound a little bit daisy, but you have to read the paper or you have to read the entire activity. Probably you may have to make some few trips from page 1 to 4 and back and forth. Alright, clear on this. And the final one, this one over here, manager or leader name should appear in the supervisory organization named. I'm sure everybody knows how to do it. Next, individual organization. Assignments should be based on employee's supervisory organization and not on work or location. This is all basic, and whatever we have done at CD&E is the same.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.